A very pleasant good evening. Warm welcome to distinguished guests and faculties to this valedictory function of Design to Print. Special welcome to all the participants who have given their best in 24 hours. We, as the organizing team, are extremely overwhelmed by your participation and response. To make this beginning of this ending more special, I welcome our beloved HOD, Dr. A.K. Jivanathan, to welcome the gathering. Sir, please.
Thank you very much. Good evening, one and all. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. L. Jyotish Kumar, President of Additive Manufacturing Society of India, beloved Dean, School of Mechanical Engineering, respected jury members of Design to Print 2.0 Ideathon, team of AMSI VIT Student Chapter, dear faculty colleagues, dear participants who had taken part in this special event, student friends and beloved parents, I welcome you all for the valedictory function of Design to Print 2.0 Ideathon 2021. It's a great privilege to welcome our chief guest of the day. We are extremely grateful to have Dr. L. Jyotish Kumar, President, Additive Manufacturing Society of India, here with us today to deliver the presidential address and to release the results of this Design to Print 2.0 Ideathon. On behalf of the organizers and participants, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, for this event. I extend my delightful welcome to our Dean, School of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Vasudevan, sir. Sir, welcome, sir. I also extend my cheerful welcome to the jury members of this event, Design to Print 2.0 Ideathon event. It's my immense pleasure to welcome Dr. Solomon Bobby, Faculty Coordinator, AMSI VIT Student Chapter, Mr. K. Havish, Chairperson of AMSI VIT Student Chapter, Mr. Aryak, Documentation Head, AMSI VIT Student Chapter, and all the members of AMSI VIT Student Chapter, students and parents. Also, I would like to express my deepest welcoming gratitude to Dr. Solomon Bobby, Faculty Coordinator of AMSI VIT Chapter, for making this useful event which provides an opportunity to develop innovative skills in the field of additive manufacturing technologies. I also welcome our esteemed participants to this valedictory section. The research and academic activities are innumerable at VIT actually. In total, there are 87 numbers of teams have participated with a total of 167 numbers of participants in this Design to Print 2.0 Ideathon event, in which 45% of participants are from VIT Vellore and 55% of participants from various colleges across India. Out of these 87 numbers of the teams, 31 numbers of teams were able to successfully complete the task on time. We wish to express our respect and gratitude to all the participants, coordinators, sponsors, and juries for your contributions to the academia. I take this opportunity to thank you all for your enthusiasm and active participation. I congratulate all the participants and wishing you all the very best for your bright future. Thank you once again and a warm welcome to one and all. Thank you very much.
Thanks for such a warm welcome, sir. To add more value to the event, I request Dr. R. Vasudevan, Dean SMSC, to address the student gathering. Sir, please.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good evening to all of you. First, I like to appreciate all the participants, those who have participated in this competition, even through pandemic, and then you have done a wonderful job, irrespective of whether you are able to finish on time or not. That is a different issue. But participation is very, very important. I'm so glad to that more than 170 team have participated for this event. Really, hats off to all of you. I would like to welcome our chief guest, Dr. L. Jyotish Kumar, President of AMCA. Sir, and thank you so much for joining this event and gracing the occasion, even with your busy schedule. Thank you so much. I like to appreciate the great effort done by Dr. Solomon Bobby and the team, AMSI team, all the students, those who did a very good job for organizing the event. I'm so glad to note that when Dr. Jeevananda mentioned about the participation from EIT and other parts of India, it's not so easy to coordinate this kind of activity during the pandemic. Everything was done through online. And then if there is any clarification, clarifying the clarification, doubts, everything, it's not so easy. I understood how much time they might have put and then how much efforts they might have done. It's really a wonderful effort. I really appreciate Dr. Solomon Bobby and the team for their great effort. Definitely, it will become like a milestone at BIT. Even during the pandemic period, we are able to do so many activities without stopping anything, whatever may be the situation we have, and our journey will keep on going. That kind of attitude, that kind of message will reach everybody. I thank so much Dr. Solomon Bobby sir and all the team members, student members. You did a great job. Thank you so much for your great effort. I like to congratulate all the student participants, even though there are only 3 winners going to be announced. But the effort what you put is beyond the price and other things. So I really appreciate your effort. Congratulations once again, and all of you. Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thanks for your words of wisdom, sir. This could have been never been this successful without these special people. Yes, our judges. They are the main pillars behind this event unbiased quick result. Team MSI VIT is extremely honored to have them as our judges. It would be great if we could hear few words from them. I kindly request our judge, Dr. S. Renaud Elson, to share his experience and any other further tips to the students community. Sir, please.
So I welcome our chief guest, Jyotish Kumar sir, President AMSI, and I really thank our Dean, Professor Vasudevan sir, HOD, Professor Jeevanandam sir, and Coordinator Solomon Bobby for approving this event and being the backbone of this event. I am really happy to be part of this event, sir. When Solomon Bobby sir called me and he invited me to be a judge, I was really very happy. And in fact, I have to tell you that I was really honored to judge the type of innovations the students have really presented in this event. So the way in which they have really approached this problem statement and the effort they have made to learn different softwares and the way they have presented all the facts, the way in which they have really given all the justifications that their designs have given. So it was really wonderful. I really hope this particular ecosystem of being innovative has to be really inculcated, and this kind of events will really help the students to really explore their own potential. So I really thank all the people who are background of this particular event. Mainly, also I have to really thank the student members who were really helping the coordinators, to do such a very good event. So I really enjoyed judging all these designs, and I hope some of these designs can be commercialized, can be patented, and it can really be used for the society, for a betterment of the livelihood. So that is all that I can share as of now, sir. Thank you once again, everyone.
Thank you so much for your words, sir. We thank you from our bottom of our heart for your dedication and time you have spent with us during this weekend.
Excuse
Next.
me, Ashutosh, excuse me.
Yes,
And
sir.
just for your information of the participants, we had 5 judges. Others could not make it to attend this function. On behalf of all the judges, Dr. Renaud Elson represented. So they do not think that we had only 1 judge. Just to clarify it. Thank you so much. Yeah, please go. Ashutosh, over to you.
Okay, sir. Next, I would like to introduce you all to Dr. L. Jyotish Kumar, President of AMSI. He did his PhD from UK, and today he is the backbone of 3D printing additive manufacturing in India. Thank you, sir, for accepting our request and being the chief guest of the day. We would like to hear a few words from you, sir. Oh, excuse me, sir. You are muted. Kindly unmute yourself.
Yeah. Is it fine? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine now? Yeah. Thank you, everybody, for inviting me to this valedictory ceremony and the hands-on design to print. Design to print is a wonderful word. Okay, for ready to manufacturing, it's very relevant. Okay, what do you do after designing? It has to be used somewhere, right? So what we're going to do in 3D printing, we're going to print, we're going to manufacture, we're going to prototype. So design to print is a very opt word, okay, for designing software users and students and engineers. Okay, so before that, I would like to thank Dr. A.K. Jivanatham, HOD Manufacturing Engineering, and Dr. Vasudevan, Dean SMBC, and all the judges and the jury members, and uh, and also the tireless effort made by Professor Dr. Solomon. I always tell him and quote him as a reference and as a model to others and other colleges. You should learn from him. And most of the time, I connect with other colleges, professors to Dr. Solomon because there's a lot to learn from him. He's like a mercury, he never stops. Okay, to taking so much of pain and keep students engaged all the time and make them learn, do new things, learn new things. I think it's there in his blood and it's in his genes. Okay, I would love to give this compliment to him. And there's wonderful things to learn from him and the students. Though the students surrounded by him, they're very lucky. I would like to say put it in this way because he's got that positive energy. So he's going to impart to all the students who are with him. Okay, so he makes kids, the students engaged all the time, and he has given a wonderful name, Design to Print. Okay, the design is a backbone for 3D printing. So without design, there is no printing. Okay, so the CAD software which helps design any complicated designs or any intricate designs. So what next? What's after designing? We have to take it for printing. Then after printing, we have to take it for applications, testing, and so many applications involved with it. So the design, the next or the immediate stage is the printing. Okay. So this term or the terminology what he has given, it's a wonderful terminology. I think we should brand it in a bigger way in VIT, design to print. Okay, we should take it to the international level also, involving international universities and teams. So it becomes a very big name, design to print. Okay. So I welcome all the teams who are all participated in this contest, and it's my privilege and I'm honored to be part of this program. And I think there were about 87 teams, and total number of students were 167, and the total number of teams could finish the task on time were 37. Out of all the registered members, 44.64 percentage participants are from VIT Vellore and 55.35 percentage are from various colleges across India. That's what I got this information from Dr. Solomon. So we all know that pandemic has taught us different types of manufacturing methods, right? So as we know that 3D printing is a remote technology. You don't need to stand in front of the machine and you don't need to go to any factory. You just send a CAD file wherever you are. Then based on the codes or other communications, then you can give them a green signal, they can print. So this time is very apt. I would say pandemic time is the best time for 3D printing. I was talking to one of the German-based company manufacturer, EOS, and his team. He was saying that they were doing fantastic during the pandemic. Why? Because this automated process, you don't need to have more people in the factory. You don't need to have more people in the shop floor because the technology itself is like that. It has been designed in such a way that it's a completely automated process. Okay, and this helped us a lot during these critical times, printing from various types of equipments for what you called as oxygen supply equipments and so on. Even we have done a lot of work for manufacturing swabs during the first wave of the pandemic. We did R&D and we have manufactured made in India swabs also using 3D printing technology, which taught us, how we can make use of the manufacturing process, the challenging processes like 3D printing. They helped us a lot during the pandemic and they taught us how we can make use of that. Keeping that in mind, So our Dr. Solomon has utilized this time and this platform to keep the students engaged during this pandemic time, because whatever may be, the softwares or the technology or advancements, whatever it is, it cannot match the physical involvement, right? But in spite of all those difficulties and challenges, so it's a great opportunity and it's a great effort which has been made by Dr. Solomon and his team. And I congratulate all the participants. Okay, and we have to come out with a great solutions, because we have a lot of time to think at home, and we are saving a lot of time because we are not traveling. We are sitting at one place, attending classes, doing assignments, doing writing exams. Most of the exams are online. So now it's a time for us to think innovative. Okay, so we should make use of this time and put our effort to come up with something innovative next, which will be useful to the society, using the advanced manufacturing technologies like 3D printing, artificial intelligence, and robotics, and so on. So it's a great opportunity. The God has created us this pandemic. We have to take it in a positive way. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, but we should learn and make use of this time to utilize and design, print, and help the society. And the term design to print is very apt, and I congratulate all the participants who are all there. So out of the top, out of this, all these participants, the top 5 teams, shall I make an announcement, Dr. Solomon? Now?
Excuse me, sir. So not now. Firstly, we have to give them the clarity of the evaluation process. Then you can announce the result.
Yeah. So once again, I congratulate all the participants and the organizing team on their effort, and I wish them all the luck, all the best for the future efforts, and I wish that it should become an international event in future. Okay, the whole world should look into us and should see us what we are doing today, and we should engage them. Okay, and to be part of this event, there are so many universities in UK, US. So we can also make use of the international platform and share and learn the knowledge of 3D printing, what they are using in their academic or for design or prototyping. That could be anything, customization, prioritization. It's a very good platform. So we don't need to travel abroad. Its online platform has created a very good opportunity for us to learn distantly. Okay, so it's a very good opportunity. And once again, I'll congratulate all the participants and Dr. Solomon's team. Excellent.
Thank you. Over to Ashutosh.
Thank you for those insights, sir. Your words means a lot for us. Now we are moving on to the most important part of the event, for what all of you have been eagerly waiting. Yes, the results. But isn't it more important to the criteria for selecting the winners? So I request Mr. Havish, student chairperson of AMSI VIT, to announce the criteria for evaluation.
Good evening, everyone. For the round 1, the following criteria was used to evaluate the submissions and shortlist the top 5 teams: innovation, design aesthetics, feasibility, design complexity, and presentation. Thank you. Back to you, Ashutosh.
Thanks for bringing in the clarity, Havish. So yes, it's a time for the result. I'm as eager as all of you. So with no further delay, let's hear the results. I would feel honored to request Dr. L. Jyotish Kumar, the president of AMSI, to announce the results. So please.
Sorry to interfere. Just I want to make it some more clear about this. And 87 teams could participate in this event, as it was mentioned by the speakers. 31 teams could submit their files on time, and 15 teams are selected out of 31 teams, and then 5 teams got selected again from the 15 teams. These 5 teams are moving to the next round, print round. So all the printed components again will be sent to all the 5 judges. So they will evaluate the physical printed component, and that marks and the design marks will be added up. And the first 3 teams who are the first prize, second prize, third prize, and will be selected afterwards. So you will be intimated through online after a couple of days. Over to Dr. Jyotish.
Yeah, over to print after this contest of design to print. Okay. Now YDI 7536 I'll repeat once again. Y for Yankee, D for Delhi, I for India 7536. Then the next one is J for Juliet, N for November, P for Poland 9670. Then the third team is E for England, G for Goat, L for Lion 6331. And the next team is N for November, A for Apple, H for House 1042. Then the fifth team and the final team is I for India, Q for Quality, P for Poland 1177. I congratulate all the top 5 teams. Nevertheless, I congratulate all the participants. It is not like who is going to qualify or not qualify. The participation is very important. Okay, this shows that your interest and your zeal to participate and take it forward. And I wish all the best in future endeavors. And I wish all the dignitaries and the team of Dr. Solomon. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to the team. Yes, we have come to the end of the event. It wouldn't have been possible without each and every one of your support. AMSI VIT highly appreciates everyone's effort in making this event a great success. Now, I would like to request our documentation head, Aryak, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Hello, everyone. Ashutosh, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. First of all, we would like to thank from the bottom of our hearts our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Jyotis Kumar, President of AMSI. To receive such warm words from a person who has spearheaded the movement of additive manufacturing in India is a huge honor that has been bestowed upon us. I would also like to thank him for taking out so much time from his busy schedule for us. We would also like to thank our Honorable Dean of SMEC, Dr. R. Vasudevan, for his inspiring words about our chapter and for making our event extra special by gracing us with his distinguished presence. We would also like to thank our beloved head of Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. A.K. Jeevananthan, for his warm words that have made the opening of this valedictory session so spectacular. I also thank him for his warm wishes that continue to drive us in our work. We would also like to thank our faculty coordinator, Dr. Solomon Bobby sir, for being an ocean of wisdom, experience, and support which guided us through the various challenges that presented themselves at various times while conducting this event. Without his support, it would be almost impossible for us to be the chapter that we are today. We would also like to thank the judges, Dr. S. Senthil Kumar, Dr. Renaud Elson, Dr. R. Vesuvindan, Dr. R. Manoharan, and Dr. C. Pandivalan for the daunting task that they have taken on, as I am sure that judging such a massive pool of talent and coming up with a handful of contestants which will go to the next round was definitely not easy. In addition, I would like to thank our sponsors, Monotech Systems Limited and Markforged University for the immense support that they have offered our chapter while conducting this event. To conclude, I would like to thank the participants for giving their absolute best over the last 24 hours and making this event a major success. Thank you all.
Before we
Thank you,
continue,
Aryak.
take a group photo, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have taken some pictures. Hirtik, have you taken? Okay. Saiteja, can we conclude?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, everyone.
AMSI and Dr. S. Solomon Bobby for this opportunity. Hope to see you all in the future event of AMSI VIT student chapter. Stay connected, keep learning. Thank you all.
Thank you once again and all the best.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for Dr. Solomon, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for
Thank
your
you.
patience.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Jivan.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Really great effort. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Jyotish sir, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Solomon, and keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
Ronald. Thank you,
Shall
everyone.
we sign up, sir?
Yeah, please.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.